Hello, trading is closed on September 30th, 2019. We'll go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early high. We got that. We had a target, and that printed right at the open. There's a new target, 2982.14. Most likely to print tomorrow. And unless we gap down smartly, that's my call. During the day, we had an ultimate sell signal in the morning and in the afternoon. They've already met their targets. This drop and this drop and this drop, this drop and this rally and this drop were all called by the system to be false and gives us the target of 2982.14. Here's what we said yesterday. Friday's close had positive short-term implications. We got the rally. We thought it had negative longer-term implications. Gapping up did invalidate part of the reasoning for that. We'll see that in just a minute. Here's where I have us. We're in wave blue C down. Doesn't mean we have to drop tomorrow, but it looks a bit short compared to wave blue A. It was negative that we closed under the low of the consolidation with the all-time high. You had to trade under Friday's close by a penny to avoid invalidating the break, but we gapped up, so that break does not count. Still, it's hard to count three waves down here in this pattern. That's what I'd expect. So regardless of what happens tomorrow, until we can count three waves down, I think even if we trade up tomorrow, lower prices should be coming. Here's where I have us. Here's B. Here's your ABC. And of the next wave, that's A, and you're in B, and there should be a C. And then the next drop comes. That's how I'm calling it now. But of course, you can never be positive about this, and I just take things a day at a time anyway. Well, tomorrow's pattern has the early high. You could still gap down. It's a higher target. Unless we gap down smartly, I think it'll print. Today's pattern almost always closes near the high. It's negative we didn't. Only gapping and promptly overtaking today's high would kill the signal for lower prices. But futures are already up smartly, so the odds are good. We are going to gap up over the high and invalidate the negative implications of today's close. I think we're in a B wave in a decline. I think the upside's somewhat limited. Another down leg is going to come. That doesn't mean it'll happen tomorrow. For tomorrow, I have a higher target. We need to take out today's high early, or else it's negative. Futures are indicating that'll happen. And that's today's call.